I must be at the HAPO, and just in time for the 2024-2025 membership report. Hello, I'm Katie. My close friends call me Mike, your grand membership. This year I had so much fun traveling the jurisdiction and getting to meet all the new members. But I think we have some business to get down to. Mrs. Downing, here is this year's membership report. And there will also be a copy on the reporter's desk to be included in the records of Grand Assembly. But now, what you've all been waiting for, the awards. Last fall, your assemblies competed in a competition with a chance to win a pizza party. When I call the name of the assembly who won, please send a representative to the east to get your certificate. And the winner of the Fall Membership Pizza Contest is Wenatchee Assembly. All the girls at the new members luncheon had a blast, and some of them even won some sweet prizes. Congratulations to all the girls who attended the luncheon. Will anyone who attended the luncheon please stand? A round of applause for these wonderful people. And now, on to the Top Assembly Awards. This year, our assemblies have been working hard and growing fast. So if I call your assembly for an award, please send a representative to the east to get your certificate or trophy. And so, in second place, we have a three-way tie between, drumroll please, Wenatchee, Bellevue, and Meridian Gems. And then, in first place, with 6 new members initiated, winning a Dairy Queen ice cream party and the Top Recruiter Trophy, we have, better drum roll, please. We have Magic Valley. Thank you to my director, Mr. Danner, for all you do for membership. I couldn't have opened any doors this year without your support. I would like to thank you all for this amazing year. It has been my absolute honor to serve as Grand Membership, and I would encourage you to never stop here. There will always be more doors to open for different girls, and even though it may seem difficult, sometimes you have to take a leap of faith. Remember all the good that Rainbow has brought you, and don't be shy to share that with a friend, because it does all begin with you. Thank you for opening doors with me this year, Washington, Idaho. Without you, we could have never unlocked our true potential. Mike Wazowski, signing off.